Hi witches! So today we have moved out of where I usually film and into my studio so we can do an altar tour. This is my working altar and I'm just gonna eventually turn around the camera because my arm's gonna get tired, but I'm gonna go through each element of it and also like some other altars that I have around my house because like my whole house is just filled with stuff. So yeah, let's start here. Okay, so we're gonna first start with at the top and then work our way down. So I have two candles that I use to represent my deities. I apologize if you hear like traffic. I'm literally like the window is right there, so cool. Anyways, I have my candle for Hearn, I have my candle for the Morrigan, and I have like a central candle that I light when I cast Circle. And then also a protection candle that I got from Pocket Bean, which is a really cool witch shop that I know the owner of, and they're super recommend. I then have two little cat statues, and these represent the spirits of my former pets that I had when I was growing up, and I like to honor them and keep them close because they were like a very big part of my life. And I mean, they've been there since they were like 20 years old when they passed, and I was like 10, so I'd known them my whole life. This is a very cool fossil that my friend got me for Christmas/Yule, and he like picked it out himself, and it was like super sweet, and I really like it. I use it to represent the earth element, and we'll be using it for the first time in a working on the full moon, which is awesome. This is a feather that I found. Be really careful with feathers. I know birds can carry like diseases, but I really liked it, and it kind of brings me closer to the Morrigan. I have my female and male deer skulls. This one you probably recognize from my setup before. I brought him in with me. This is like big Hearn energy, and then I have a female. I have so many skulls, guys. It's kind of gross. Not gross and like disgusting, but like just I have an obscene amount of skulls. But I love the symmetry. I'm very into symmetrical things. So there's that. Use her for the female energy, him for the male energy, and kind of like this space in between for like the space in between the gender binary. I have my Book of Shadows. These are my tarot cards, which are like really cool. Let's see what we got. Queen of Cups. Yep, she's been crying a lot recently, so not surprised. But they're kind of like this medieval I don't know, flavor. I got these before I really started practicing witchcraft as well. I somehow got my grandmother to buy them for me at the Met Gala at the Met in New York, and I was like, these are really cool. And like not tricked her. I'm not gonna say trick, but she was kind of like wary, and I was like, no, I'm not a witch. But then like 2 weeks later, I was like, I'm a witch. This is the chalice. I don't remember if you guys remember me. I don't know if you guys remember me talking about my chalice, but I use this instead of a cauldron. It's pewter and very cool looking, and I really like it. And then this is just kind of like a fun ornamental piece. This is like a gazing ball that I got at an antique store recently, and I just really like the filigree thingies on the side. I just think it's really cool. I haven't really used it, but I just really like the way it makes my altar look, so this is it. Sorry about my printer, but as you can see, I have a bunch of other stuff over here. Like I keep my crystals, and those are the infamous vampire teeth from like 10 years ago or whatever. And then just some other little things that make me happy and give me good positive energy. And then of course my boyfriend has all his plants. I just want to show them off because they're really pretty, and he's so good at propagating plants. Like look at this. Look how beautiful that is. And he has more over here, and I'm really proud of him. There's just spell remnants, I'm sorry, but yeah. And then, so this used to be my altar. This is something I made when I was in high school that was like for Hearn, and then this is the skull it was based off of. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but when I say I have an obscene amount of skulls, like truly, but this is like kind of like a disaster zone right now, but I'm going to be transparent and I'm going to show you anyways. So I have like two cards, you can kind of see that one in the back, that were from my past 2 tarot readings at the Renaissance Festival. Here's some more beautiful plants and some water I need to get rid of. And then like a little cauldron and some more candles and stuff. So I just have tons of things. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the altar tour. Please feel free to tag me in any pictures of your altar if you are like comfortable sharing, because I love them. I think they're so cool, and mine changes a lot, so like just because it looks like that now doesn't mean it's gonna look like that always. My messy desk. But yeah, I would love to see your guys' stuff, and as always, tag me in things so I can like hype you up, because I just love talking about witchcraft. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.